US, Germany, and UK indices traded with little swings, where we've seen the highs and we are also seeing the indices erasing the gains. Specifically, the US indices traded with a little extra bearishness, where US 100 is seen trading below and it has hit below 21,000 levels. So, what to expect now from the NASDAQ, the Dow, Germany 40, and FTSE 100 today? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Today, the US markets are remain going to remain closed, and thus the US session might bring only a little volatility here. But yes, do not miss to watch the next update before the US session as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel membership here on YouTube to support the effort. First, we'll see Nasdaq, then Dow, and in the end, Germany 40 and FTSE 100 was. You can notice 20 period moving average, definitely a greater resistance here. It is very critical for US 100 to stay above 21,200 levels. As long as it stays below 21,200, we have to be cautious. 21,200, 260 are the two levels which it needs to break, beyond which it will turn bullish. Else what is happening? Drop, retracement, lower lows, retracement, lower highs, so it can move towards lower lows here, which are far below towards 20,000. Also look at the hourly charts. One bearish candle, flat bottom. The current candle might take it to below 21,100 or 080 levels, which is going to be the next support zone here. The stochastic looking down, the MACD almost flat. It is not yet crossed over. It is not diverged. The RSI is flat here on the 2 hour charts. The observation is more or less same on the 2 hour charts. Yes, it has started with the tail and see it is almost staying flat. It needs to deliver a breakout. I think a drop below 21,120 and 21,100 should be a good sign for further bearishness. And see, the momentum is almost diminished here. Always it is trying to come back to this axis line here, and this axis line right now situated at around 21,120 to 150 zone. So it has to break out beyond this. It has to specifically break beyond 21,200 and 250 zone. This should be the only level above which it should turn bullish here. Stochastic looking down, MACD has seen good dip here. It is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. RSI is flat here, coming to on the 3 hour. The observation is more or less same here. A bit of resistance here, lower lows are there. Wait for it to break here on the upside, and now once it stays about 21,200, 250 zone is where you can say now the bulls are back, and we are looking forward to a greater reversal here. Till then, be cautious here with the buys at least. Stochastic flat. The MACD is right now trading bearish. The RSI is running flat here on the 4 hour charts. When you see, similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. The thing to note here is the diminishing bullishness and the lower high. So once it breaks on the upside, then only you can confirm the reversal here. Yes, it is very important now for the Tech 100 to trade about 21,200 plus levels, as this may become the reversal, and then we can look forward to a greater rise here. Stochastic flat. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is flat here, coming to daily. And on the daily chart, similar observation here. See, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop here. Now I will see this two levels. This could be the inverted head and shoulders, and this may break this squeeze here. So I'll just wait. How it behaves today is going to be very important. Any break beyond 21,260 and 300 zone should bring enormous bullishness here, where the prices might try to recover strongly, where it can in fact reach beyond 21 450 500 zone as well. But also right now I cannot confirm that it is going to break out, because see, two bearish candle, and now if it starts to deliver a breakout, if it stays below 21,100 levels, you can expect that lower lows should be there very soon. In fact, 20,800 should be there. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD trading bearish, RSI flat. So considering this, now I'll recommend you to buy 21,160 levels, expect 21,180, 200, and then 225 and 21,250, 260. If then till 21,260 greater resistances, beyond 21,260 stay bullish for 21,300, 320 as the first target zone, 360 as the next, 21,400 as the third, and beyond that sky is the limit. We are looking forward to 21,480, 500. On the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 21,120 levels, below which you can expect it to move towards 21,100, 075, 21,040, and then 21,000 levels. Below 21,100 is 21,000 is where stronger bearishness should prevail. You can in fact expect it to move towards 20,920 and 20,900 levels. Let's see if it delivers such a stronger move today. Let's move to down. US30 on the hourly charts forming a good support here, trying to bounce back here. Let it stay above 42,600 and then 42,650, 660 zone. If these two zones are taken, if these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction here. Else what is happening? It is trying to trade in this channel here, where lower highs and lower lows are seen, and it can show a dip. So 42 660 is the only level above which you can expect little bullishness, and specifically above 42,700 is the level where you can confirm the reversal. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green. The RSI is flat. On the two, the observation remains same on the 2 hour charts, lower lows, lower highs. We have to wait. We have to wait for it to stay above 42,600. That will be the confirmation of further rise. And then above 42,660 is where you can see confirmed reversal. Yes, after hitting this, it can reverse. And if it starts to reverse, it can deliver a stronger rise here. If you see the stochastic, this has dropped. The MACD is almost flat. It is on the verge of a crossover for buys. The RSI is flat as well, and the 3 hour charts indicates the same. But yes, on the 3 hour charts, 20 period is the resistance diminishing, or you can say bearishness is definitely there. The next candle is going to be the decisive factor which can take it for the moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Thus any rise beyond 42,600 and 660 is a very good sign for the bulls. Stochastic at top, MACD trying to converge, RSI flat. On the 4, the observation remains the same. See, right now it is under consolidation. You have to wait. You have to wait for it to deliver a breakout, either it to trade below 42,500 or to trade above 42,600, 660. As long as it stays between the zone, we have to be cautious. And see, divide this into two symmetries there. And now once it breaks below 42,500, we can look forward to another round of drop. My worry point is the resistance it is getting above 42,600, 660, which is definitely a stronger resistance. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish. And if you look at the RSI, this is running flat here. Coming to on the daily charts as well, similar observation here. See, swings are seen preceding candle, a greener candle. Now it can still deliver a red candle here, but I'll wait. Whichever direction it gives you a breakout first, 42,600 should be an ideal buying point for us, where you can expect 42. 650, 660, and then 42,700. If 42,700 is taken, consider this as a reversal here. What we had seen in the last few trading sessions, definitely the moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness, and this is the consolidation which has happened here. It has failed to stay bearish, and it has failed to break on the upside as well, and thus a consolidation is going on waiting for a breakout. Stochastic looking down. See, this is important. MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence is a very good sign for the bulls. RSI flat. So considering, I will only recommend you to buy if you see today US30 trading above 42,600, where you can expect 42,650, 660, and 42,700 levels. At the next, any movement beyond 42,700 should take it towards 42,800 plus levels. While on the downside, now I'll recommend a selling entry at 42,500 levels. Expect 42,450, 440 at the first, 42,400, 380 at the second, and below that 42,300, 320 should appear. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Below 42,300, there is no looking back on the upside. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Germany. DAX taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back up. It is very critical and important for it to now trade below 2330 levels and 2300 levels. These two levels are going to remain the prime important resistance for the day. What is happening here after the drop? It is under retracement. Let it give a breakout, and again it may try to drop, but right now it is looking upwards. While on the upside, any move beyond 2380 levels should be a good sign for the bulls here. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is flat on the 2 hour charts. Yes, it has formed a very good support with the 20 period moving average, trying to fly here, trying to look upwards. But definitely the resistance here are very strong, so do not take it lightly. As long as 2380 is not taken, you have to be cautious here with the buys. But beyond this, you can say another round of rise will be seen, and then US DAX should move towards 2500. Possibility exists. Stochastic rising. The MACD right now is on the sells here. After the crossover, it is looking downwards. RSI running flat. On the 3 hour, the observation remains same on the 3 hour charts. See the bullishness here, bullishness getting diminished. One bearish candle, let it stay below 2300, 3320 zone, and then you can expect 2300 and 2270, 250. Any drop below 2250, 240 is a clear sign of price correction here in the Germany40. Else it is still not to be treated bearish. Stochastic rising, the MACD has just crossed over, a bearish sign it is. RSI flat. Coming to 4 hour charts, on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. The movement here is very much struggling here, specifically on the upside here. It is finding a good resistance. On the downside, the support levels are pretty strong as well, and this appears 2250, 240 is going to remain a pretty strong support, while on the upside 360, 400 should be a greater resistance here. Let's see whichever direction it gives you a breakout, it is going to be a stronger one. Stochastic rising, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. It is not yet crossed over though. RSI is also very near to the top. Coming to the day, now notice this on the daily charts. First of the all, the prices are outside bulling up bands. The bulling up bands are very rigid. It is not willing to expand, and it has seen good bullish sign. Preceding candle is a doji here, and thus also we should notice it is now seen the double top here. So today's candle is going to be very important. If it, you see it is staying below 2300 levels, you can say more bearishness should prevail. In fact, 2320 itself you can sell, and then expect 2250, 2200 levels, below which you can say the reversal might begin. The reversal should initiate here. Yes, it is formed a double top here, and from these levels the reversal can be expected. Let's see. And thus, as long as now today 20,500 is not taken, we are not treating this as bullish for the near term. Stochastic rising, MACD looking upwards, which is very good sign for the bulls, and the RSI is rising as well. Considering this, I'll recommend you to buy here at 2380, expect 2450 and 2480, 500. Chances for this breaking beyond 2500 appears to be less. However, these are markets. On the downside, sell at 2320, expect it to move towards 2300, 2270, 2240, and below 2240 it is not going to come. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let's move to Germany, not Germany40, but FTSE100. So the UK100 is just struggling here at 8 to 60, 8 to 65 zone. Yesterday again we have seen the same, and today again now it is trying to breach beyond these levels. Now one thing is certain, the moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness, and the prices are taking support from the 20 period moving average, trying to bounce back, coming to the critical zone here. So this is going to be definitely a critical zone for UK100. Any breach beyond 8 to 70, just bullish, just stay bullish, expect 8 to 85, 8 to 8300 levels. Remember, this is a symmetry, it is consolidated here enough, let it give a breakout. Stochastic rising, the MACD is rising, the RSI is rising, good sign, supportive for further rise. On the 2-hour charts also, it is trying to deliver a breakout, but yes, it hardly takes a candle for it to reverse. Any drop below 8240 is a sign of reversal, sign of bearishness. See this, divide this into two, it can completely reverse from the current levels. But right now it is looking upwards. So stochastic looking down, MACD and RSI both are supportive of further bullishness. On the 3-hour charts as well, I am just noticing this draw retracement, and now once the next candle arrives, and if you see it is staying below 8240, definitely we can say that this is the beginning of the reversal process. Right now I'll be still not confirming or considering this as bullish. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat here. On the 4-hour chart, this is important to note, as it has formed a reversal, it is still rising. I'll wait for it to trade above 8 to 70. That is the only level above which slight bullishness should be seen, else possibility of a reversal cannot be denied. So if you see now, FTSE100, the higher price below 8250, take a selling entry there, expect 824030, and then below that we can look forward to a greater correction. Stochastic rising, MACD flat, RSI rising here. Coming to daily, notice this on the daily charts. After taking the support, it is trying to bounce back, but it has come down to the same zone, same levels where it has reversed, and thus these are definitely going to remain the critical resistances. Today again, see, after forming double bottom, it is trying to bounce. I'll wait for it to stay above 8265, 8270 levels. Beyond 8270 is where the bulls are waiting. You can look forward to 8285, 8300. Moving averages starting to converge here. Stochastic rising, MACD, RSI all are rising here. So considering this, buy at 8270, sell at 8250. As long as it stays between this zone, do not take a trade above 8270. Expect 8285, 8300, 8320. Any break beyond 8320 is a clear sign of a stronger rally ahead. On the downside, selling entry at 8250, be careful till 8240. Only below 8240 is where the bears are waiting. You can look forward to 8220 and 8200 levels as well. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.